The channel is organized in hopefully an intuitive manner. When you come to the main Yield Nerd page, you are going to see that there are two playlists. The first playlist is the organized sequential order, starting from a show summary to walking you through every single episode and every part in sequential order. And as I add new episodes, I will be maintaining this roadmap so you can follow it there. The second section is more of my way to inject a little bit of humor into an otherwise hard topic. And so I've been creating some shorts and inserting them into the episodes as well. But if you have nothing better to do, you can watch just the shorts in the short playlist. Welcome to Yield Nerd, and I hope you click the subscribe button. Thank you.